Ever wonder how to seamlessly snag those digital titles on the PlayStation Store using your PayPal account? Let's dive in. First, power up your PlayStation console and navigate to the PlayStation Store from the main menu. Scroll all the way to the right and select the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Within the settings menu, you'll find account management. Go ahead and select this option to proceed to your account details. Now, within account management, locate and select wallet. This is where all your payment information is stored and managed. On the wallet screen, choose payment methods. This will bring you to the section where you can add or modify your payment options. Here, you will see a list of available payment methods. Select PayPal from this list. You'll then be prompted to sign into your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically involve entering your PayPal email address and password through a secure web browser interface. Once you've successfully signed in and authorized the connection, your PayPal account will be securely linked to your PlayStation account. You'll see a confirmation message on your screen. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, simply select the game or content you wish to buy. When you proceed to checkout, PayPal will now appear as one of your payment options. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method, review your order details, and then confirm your purchase. The funds will be debited directly from your linked PayPal account or your chosen PayPal funding source. If you encounter any payment issues, first ensure your PayPal balance or linked funding source has sufficient funds. Double-check that your PayPal account details are accurate on the PlayStation Store. If issues persist, PayPal's customer support or PlayStation's support can assist further. And that's it. You're now equipped to make seamless purchases on the PlayStation Store using PayPal, unlocking a world of gaming at your fingertips.